Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about non-inverting comparator circuit using op-amp in the multisim software. Today, we are going to discuss about non-inverting comparator. In the previous lecture, we saw about the inverting comparator and the output waveform how it is going to be evaluated in both practical way and theoretical way. So, in this session, we are going to discuss about the non-inverting comparator circuit having an input at a non-inverting terminal and which is also a voltage divider which is connected to inverting terminal and how it is going to be evaluated and also we will see how it will be behave in the output waveforms that now we are going to see. So let's go to the view part. So here you can clearly observe, right? So my input is given to the positive terminal, that is inverting terminal, and my reference voltage. You think about that whenever I'm talking about one with reference to another, I usually say it is reference voltage. Okay, so this is the case. So when I'm giving input, so suppose think about that I'm giving 5 volts here and I'm giving reference voltage as 3 volts. Okay, I'm directly by showing the waveform itself you will better understand. So I'm trying to convey this message with the help of waveforms. Okay, so I'm taking a sine wave which is having a amplitude of 5 volts. This is not exactly 5 volts. Kindly bear this one because of not having a proper software on my side. I'm doing this one. So V in volts and this is a time axis. Okay. So you can clearly see that. So this is my input voltage, right? So this is my reference voltage. This is my reference. Okay. This is a 3 volts and this will be 5 volts. Okay. So how my output waveform behaves? In past lectures we saw about like you can clearly observe here itself. Okay. So here you can see whenever my input V in is less than V reference, then my output will be minus VCC. If my V in is less than, okay, here you can write V in is less than V reference, then my output should be minus VCC. If my V input is greater than my V reference voltage, then output should be plus VCC. Correct, right? In such a case, we can clearly observe I am giving some points here. Okay, then you will I am using different colors, then you will better understand, right? So here key points A and B. So when we talk about especially in the point A, so this is reference voltage and this is my input voltage. At this point A, my input voltage is lesser compared to the my reference voltage. It means it is satisfy the condition such that my V input is less than my V reference. Correct, right? So as we are all discussing here non-inverting comparator, the output may not be inverting. Correct, right? If it is directly connected to positive terminal, the output may not be inverting. So in such a case, I am talking about inverting configuration. In this case, at point A, my V input is less than compared to V reference. In such a case, I am going to get, if it is satisfy the condition my V input is less than V reference, my output will be minus VCC. So he can clearly observe minus VCC and plus VCC such that my output will be starts until this one. So until point A. Until point A. So until my point A, it will be minus VCC. After that, in between point A to point B, my V input is greater compared to V reference. In such a case, I will get plus VCC. Okay, up to this point, plus VCC. After that, again, my V reference is dominating V in, right? So again, it will close to down, and then the same drama continues till my input, and there is a change in the input and output waveform such that until unless it will be keep on changing depending upon the waveform. So in this way, my output is keep on changing with respect to the input and output reference voltages. So while doing in the multisim software, you will be better understand. So let's go to multisim software. So here you can see I have been already designed the circuit to reduce the time. So for the sake of time, I already designed the circuit, which is I am giving 5 volts to the my non-inverting terminal, and I am giving 6 volts as the reference voltage to the my inverting terminal. It means this is greater voltage when compared to this one, right? So let's change this one. So input is 5 volts, output is 2 volts. Okay. In such a case, what we were going to get the output? Let me check. So by click on running, then double click on the oscilloscope. So here you can clearly observe, right? So I am little bit scrolling, okay, to understand better way of this. Okay, here you can see my input voltage is 5 volts, my that is reference voltage is 2 volts. So depending upon my input 5, so at this point in the presentation I have shown 2 points like A and B, right? So at that point my V reference is dominating V, in such a case we'll get minus VCC, right? In such a case I am getting this minus VCC. After clearing that, the point A and B, in between A and B, I am getting a output greater. So I am getting plus VCC till the point B. After the point B, again my same process is continuing until unless the wave is going to be end. The same fashion is continued till the end. You can clearly observe, right? So here you can clearly observe the point B is dominating here. So it is continuously dominating. In such a way, the output of a non-inverting comparator is looking like. So this is how for this session. If you have any doubts, please let me know in comment box. Thank you for watching.